Our planet never ceases to amaze because there are many places where strange, beautiful, and even frighteningly phenomenal things happen. People have been trying to explain them for a long time, whether through magic, spirit, or physics. Some secrets have been revealed, and some have yet to be thought about. In any case, these places deserve to be visited by the most daring and curious tourists. In this video, I have collected the top 7 mysterious places on the planet that will definitely surprise you. Without much ado, let's get right into it. Number 7. Mountain Vadara. The Vadara mountain is often called the Russian Stonehenge. This mysterious place is located in Karelia. The mountain and its surroundings are very eerie, with their dry, twisted trees and strong stone blocks. Century pine trees grow here, whose height can reach only up to 1 meter. There are practically no animals and birds, and the lakes are uninhabited. Unfortunately, the mystery of Vadara has not yet been solved by scientists, but there are many rumors and theories about this mysterious place. Some say that once upon a time, sorcerers communicated here with evil spirits and sacrificed to the ancient gods. Others say that this is a special point on Earth where time has stopped. Still others say that elves and trolls live here. There are many theories, but no one really knows exactly what this place is. Number 6. Devil's Kettle Falls. The waterfall with the funny name, Devil's Kettle, is located in Minnesota and is one of the most mysterious places on Earth. This waterfall is interesting because it takes half the current of the river into the unknown. In a certain place, it is divided into 2 streams. One stream goes straight into the upper bowl, and the second is unclear as to where it goes. Scientists do not understand exactly where the streams end and where the water gets to. Scientists have tried to add paint to the water to observe which part of the stream will eventually turn red. However, the attempt was unsuccessful. According to the laws of physics, water should get somewhere anyway. Water flows can be tracked even if they pass underground. However, in the case of this waterfall, the laws of physics apparently do not apply. It's unclear what's causing this phenomenon. Maybe it's a glitch in the matrix. Number 5. Stone Balls of Costa Rica. Starting in the 1930s of the last century, travelers began to find strange stone balls in some impossible corners of Costa Rica. The size of these objects ranges from a few centimeters to several meters, and the maximum weight reaches 20 tons. It would seem that there's nothing unusual about these boulders, but scientists were amazed by the perfect shape of these stones, which gives the impression that the giants have rolled smooth and then snowballed out of the rock. In the jungles of Costa Rica, there are numerous of such objects. About 300 spherical stones are grouped into 50 pieces, and often they are laid out in the form of geometric shapes. There are 3 versions that explain this phenomenon. Supporters of the first version claim that this is a creation of human hands. Others refer to the activity of volcanoes, while some associate it with an alien invasion. Number 4. Karachay/Karakay Lake. There were many nuclear facilities in the USSR, many of which were dangerous and poorly planned. Near one of these former facilities is Lake Karachay, which is located in the Chelyabinsk region of Russia. There are more radioactive materials in this lake than anywhere else on the entire planet. It is so dangerous that you can die within an hour if you just stand next to this lake. The area around Lake Karachay is so radioactive that even in Chernobyl in 1957, an accident at the Karechi nuclear power plant provoked an explosion. As a result, radioactive particles were released within a radius of 23,000 kilometers. This further filled the lake with concrete to avoid a catastrophe, but despite this, the area still remains very dangerous and polluted. Number 3. Endless thunderstorms. In the west of Venezuela, a thunderstorm is raging over the Catatumbo River, which almost never stops. The thunderstorm starts every day at 7 p.m. and lasts for 10 hours. This phenomenon is repeated annually for 260 days. No one knows the actual cause of this natural phenomenon. According to the basic theory, these lightning bolts are somehow connected with uranium in the nearby swamps, but scientists are not sure about this. According to scientists, lightning in Catatumbo occurs as a result of certain types of mountains over which streams of warm air, winds, and cold air from the Andes Mountains collide. Then the winds combine with a rapidly evaporated mountain river and methane from all fields nearby, resulting in thunderstorms. Nevertheless, this is not the final version, since the lightning of Catatumbo is much more mysterious than it seems at first glance. For example, one day in 2010, a thunderstorm inexplicably stopped earlier than usual, and then it would seem there would be no more thunderstorms. But after 6 weeks, a lightning began to sparkle again in the sky of Catatumbo. Since then, this phenomenon has been repeating itself. Number 2. Cut stone. On the territory of Saudi Arabia, an 8-hour drive from its capital, there's a mysterious rock formation called Al Nasla. This stone is 90 meters high and 8 meters wide. However, the most interesting thing is that the boulder seems to have been cut exactly in half with a very sharp, huge saw, and the line is very smooth. Moreover, both sides of the boulder do not fall on each other or fall to the ground. Although the bases of both parts are not that wide, the stones are held in place as if by some mysterious force, and that's not all, because there are carvings and hieroglyphs covering part of the surface of the stone, giving these blocks even more mystery. Scientists still do not understand the exact purpose of the stone or even its origin. Number 1.1. Darvaza. Darvaza is the name of a crater in Turkmenistan that has been burning continuously for over 40 years. The sinkhole is 69 meters wide and 30 meters deep. It is located in the center of the Karakum Desert, which covers about 70% of the total area of the country. Turkmenistan ranks 4th in the world in natural gas reserves, and the Darvaza crater is located in the heart of the gas field in the Dakar region, about 270 kilometers north of the country's capital, Ashgabat. Although the origin of this phenomenon is still disputed, the story is considered true according to the source, a Soviet geologist who drilled a well for gas exploration in 1971 and stumbled upon an underground void. Fearing the harmfulness of the gas coming from the resulting hole, the scientists decided to set it on fire, believing that the gas would soon burn out. However, the gas has not burned out yet. So far, this unique place is nicknamed the Door to Hell or the Gate of Hell.